BMRN stock analysis, 12th of August, Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So how I'm looking at things with Biomarin Pharmaceuticals here is that it's a bearish market, a solid bearish one, and I was correct on it, and now I'm in a pending trade where probably the worst case scenario is just a break even. Like, here's the proof of me calling it out. And all I'm sticking to even then, like all I'm sticking to is just my strategy that I've done over 45,000 videos, reps, testing it, refining it. I mean, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. With BMRN, I also got 6 receipts in the Discord, but going into here, let me show you the proof. Yeah, you can see this looked like this since 6th of August. And since 6th of August, we started melting down and boom, this is where we are now. Still hasn't delivered yet, but I'm all ears for it. Ready for it. If you want to stay tuned and get free sauce and emails and stock picks, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.